What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick product review, and this is on the BingoFit smartwatch. So let's go ahead and do a unboxing, setup, and quick review. So this is a super simple and easy to use smartwatch. Inside the box, we simply just get the watch as well as the quick guide. What's nice about this watch here is, let's go ahead and open it up. It's got a simple design, just simple clasp as well. But what's really great, one, it has a heart rate monitor. This bottom piece just slides right off for the charging. So you simply just pull off the band, and then this is how you would charge your band. It's just a standard USB port. So that's really neat. So go ahead and charge your device when you first get it, and then you can tap on the screen to activate it. If you just tap on the center, it goes through the different monitoring that you have. So you have your calories, your heart rate monitor, it scans, and it records some things like your your water intake. That can all be logged through the application. So let's go ahead and set up the application as well. To do so, you go to the App Store and download JU Pro. Once that has been launched, we're just going to click Scan for Device, and it's this here, FT. That is your device. We're going to go ahead and pair it, allow, and then this has been paired via Bluetooth. So you can see this also has a couple of options right in this menu here. We can get calls, SMS right on the home screen of the watch. We can also get alarms and activity reminders, so it can tell you to get up and walk, or even use this as a selfie remote. So you can leave your camera somewhere and then tap on the watch as your selfie remote. So now it's going to synchronize, and you can see synchronized percentage right there. So you can see I just took a quick lap around the room, and it's gone ahead and logged my steps. We also have our tracking for sleep, our heart rate, and that will turn on the heart rate monitor where you can see it's blinking green. And we also have blood pressure. If you want to do a manual sync, you simply tap on this button right here. You can share all your metrics to your social media right here. You can log all your activities in the exercise section of the app. So we can log walking, running, cycling, and hiking. So let's just do a quick walk. We hit continue. This logs it. So we've got a time meter, our calories, and our speed. To pause it, we simply just slide, and then we can hit continue or end. We can get the history by simply tapping up here on the right corner. Backing out, we can see our device settings again right here, and we can unpair the device as well as check all of our settings right there. Now we can also create a profile and log in and save all of our stats right there. So guys, there is a quick look at the BingoFit smartwatch. This is a really affordable smartwatch. It is available on Amazon. I will leave a link down below. If you guys did find the video helpful, as always, leave me a big thumbs up. Let me know your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fitness band, and I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.